All right, next video. Car moves under its own power, and it's super dusty. Definitely need to clean it. So now we're gonna break it in, and well, that's it. So I'm just gonna drive it around, put a couple miles on the motor, and try to organize this nightmare. Ooh yeah, let's get to it. Yay. Well, I got to my little spot here on the street, so I can just go up and down, do a lot of positive and negative load. It actually runs okay, but it needs some love, but it's fine. It'll run slightly better every time I drive it until it is ready for boost. Ew, I'm gross. I think I gotta find time to go to the dyno here the next week to get ready for clutch kickers, hopefully. So we'll see if we're ready or not. Oh yeah, daddy. Flash this ECU a bunch. Oh god. And it's hot out here to make it better, so hopefully I don't get stranded and have to walk home. That would suck. Anyways, we're living. All right, so a little bit of tech talk. I'm trying to figure out how much boost it makes at what RPM. So right now it's going up to, I think it's like 11, 12, 11-ish, 12-ish PSI at 3,500 still. That's pretty good. I think that's about what the, I think that's kind of what the single turbo kit would do. It's around 3,500, it'd be like on, and then 4,000, it's like all the way on. So yeah, it's because there's not a lot of grip out here and it's just spinning. I don't know what the true full spool RPM is, but so far it's looking pretty good. I mean, they're twins and they should spool nice. So this is good so far. 15 PSI gate, and I guess you could have, that doesn't matter. I'm just talking out loud again, as usual. But that's good. That's good to know. It's got at least 12 pounds. We'll see up here is spinning. So you see where RPM shoots up like crazy. Oops. So that's right before it spins. And that's like, I think that's like 10 PSI right there. So at 10 PSI at 3,300. So this thing should be a wicked little rascal. Can't wait to go drifting with it. I'm actually getting more excited again. I didn't feel jaded anymore. So, okay, it does not have the smoothest idle yet. 1,700 is kind of a pain, but let's go walk around it. It's been so long. Woo! Look at that boy. No leaks, I don't think. I should check. I don't see nothing except some bubble gum. It needs a wash super bad. Oh man, it looks so much cooler with like the twin outlet intercooler now too. I think this is the most race car this car could possibly get and still be on stock ECU. I think, let me zoom again. I think I'm in love with it all over again. Woo. All right, it's gonna be kind of, as usual, hard to tune and make a video at the same time. So this just started, did one pull. I've only done 15 PSI, and it's already making way more than I thought it would make on 15 PSI. Yeah, 735, oh my God. So now, I'm gonna try and optimize it a little bit and then start adding boost after it's optimized. So far, fuel's already decent, timing's already decent, but I think it's got a little bit more in it. Man, if it keeps trending like that, this thing probably gonna make 1,000, not even trying. So that's exciting. All right, next dyno update. So we're done tuning 15 PSI, makes, I'm gonna call it like 750, 760 horsepower, kind of moves around a little bit. Just did a pull at, I was trying to hit 19, it hit 17, 18, and I'm flashing it real quick. I'm making some boost control and fuel changes, but 800, oh God, 846, about 600 foot-pounds. So that is almost what the Mona Lisa did with 22 PSI. So it takes 5 PSI of difference for the twin kit to hit the same power. So this thing is like running super good, super efficient. Honestly, yeah, single turbo kit's kind of high strung in comparison to this. This is insane. Yeah, all my tuner friends know about that. Okay. Let's see if we can optimize a true 19-pound tune, and then after that, we're gonna go for like, I'm thinking 22, 23. We live in. Oh, and the motor is fucking killing it. Look at that. Crazy. That garage port job, baby. All right, last pull, super successful, 878, 647 foot-pounds. And now I'm gonna go from 19, I'm gonna try about 22 PSI. So this is starting to get freaky because we're getting close to 900, and this is where a lot of cars start to fall apart. So we're gonna start crossing that threshold of freaky deaky. But so far so good, everything's good, everything's good. Everything is good. All right, did not gain a ton on that one, but the integral started pulling the wastegate duty down a little bit, so I'm cleaning that up. And it's 892. That's still pretty stout, so we on track for doing something. Alrighty, we're gonna keep going. Okay, I need to figure out a better way to start those videos. I'm starting to sweat, it's hot. Okay, so I think we're done with 22 PSI. Made 910, 646. So everything's holding together. Like, woo! About ready for the grand finale of 25 and see if we want to go further than that. It's going good. I'm excited. I'm a little scared because I built this whole damn thing myself. So if it blows up, I'm probably gonna cry. All right. I think it did probably maybe only like 23 or 24 pounds, but 9, focus, there you go. 969, 673. Oh my gosh. Woo! I need to tune the boost though. It needs a little bit more duty cycle. Man, this thing's ripping, and so far, no issues. So, woo-wee. Taking it. It's taking the boost. All right, just did one on 27 PSI and ran good. We just broke 4 digits. Hell yeah. Come on, focus. There she is. Look at it. Sick. We rip it. All turbo, no nitrous. Hot as hell in here, and on pump ethanol. Now I gotta look at data. Well.
There's a little tag on it, yeah.
What do you think, Angel?
You can go.
Oh my god. Yeah. So I'm gonna add 1 degree and get a second opinion with another AFR, because I don't trust them stock sensors right about now. But we're ripping. Okay, 28 pounds. It's starting to feel like I'm squeezing it. So this might be the end here, but I'll let it idle to cool off. God damn. Woo! Damn, daddy. Best VQ I've ever built. Best turbo kit I've ever built now to date too. Sick. Whew. Look at this crap. I am so stoked right now. Hell yeah, brother. Okay. I think last bit just to wrap this whole thing up. That was a huge success, I think. Man, shout out to JMS for always letting me use the main line. Such an awesome dyno. Still got the same livery I've been having for a while, but man, car looks sick. I really like the dual in, dual out intercooler stuff. I love the way that came out. And I got some external AFR data. It's like high 10s here, 11s right here. But it indeed 1035. And in this heat, that is amazing. Oh boy. Stuff worth noting. Oh yeah, car still got stock valve springs, stock valves, and what else is stock? Stock axles. Stock intake manifold too. That thing's gonna explode and hopefully not kill this hood, but it could. Anyways, I think that's all good. I think it just proved the engine, the turbo kit, everything on that solid. So now it's time for me to actually just go drive it and have fun again. So go drifting this weekend, and hopefully it's a very successful and just good time. One last look at my dirty interior. I think that's all I got. That's how you, a little bit of luck, a little bit of skill. I think that's how you make 1,000 on a VQ. So, alrighty, that's it. How far back is it?